So here's how to use Wix and buy your own domain. First of all, open up your browser and then go to wix.com. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, open up a new tab. After that, click on the search bar and then type in buy Wix domain. Then from the results, you need to click on this first link. Once it gets loaded up, all you need to do is type in the URL in the box. This way, you can check if the domain name is available. So type in the name and then click on search. So Wix will now scan the domain name and check if it is available or not. And as you can see that it says the domain name is already taken. Wix will also suggest some domain names for you. Click on Get It Now if you like the name. Now as you can see, there are some plans that you can choose. You can select for 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years. So select the term that you want and click on Continue on the right side. Now, on the next page, you need to fill up all your information, like your name, your phone number, email, street, country, city, and then postal code. Once you fill in all the details, click on Continue again. Then just make the payment and buy your domain. So that is how to use Wix and buy your own domain. If you want to use Wix, click on the link in the description. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.